Hi guys, in this video I am going to give 8 tips to win profit every day in Grand Leagues. So using our team generator software. Basically मैं हिंदी थोड़ा आती है, so try to understand. I will explain in English, so you will definitely understand. Please try to watch the video till the end, you will definitely understand. So if you follow all these 8 tips that I am going to give, you will definitely win profit every single day in Grand Leagues, in any fantasy application like Dream 11, MPL, My Team 11, etc. So first of all let's see our team generator software. So this is the software I am talking about. If you use all these 8 tips, you will definitely win every single day. We need to always remove undervalued players. The first tip is always remove undervalued players. For example, in a match we have 22 players, right? 11 players from both the sides. You need to remove at least 2 to 3 players from both the sides. Those undervalued players, that means some poor players will be there, right? Some players who don't perform well, you need to remove them before generating the teams. For example, here the match is in between. For example, I am going to explain by taking RCB versus Mumbai Indians as an example. So here we can remove Patidar. Here he is a little, so here you can remove that player. Basically he is not a very great player, so we can remove that. And also Washington Sundar also you can remove that, and Daniel Sams also you can remove that. So I have removed the 3 players from RCB side. So from the Mumbai Indians side, I want to remove Krunal Pandya and Jimmy Nation. So I have removed completely 5 players out of 22 players. This is the first tip, guys. So we need to remove undervalued players. That means the players who cannot perform well, you need to remove before generating the teams. That is the first tip. So you can see always remove undervalued players. We can see I have removed 3 players from RCB and 2 players from Mumbai Indians. Total we got 17 players. So let's select all these 17 players in our software. So let's quickly go to our software and IPL, and we need to basically select advanced generation section. This is something you need to remember. So advanced generation section, we need to go for RCB versus Mumbai Indians is what we are taking for explaining all these 8 tips as an example. So let's go and continue, and we can give any match number. We are giving 300 as the match number, and after that continue. So we need to select at least 6 players from both the sides, but just now we have discussed that we need to always remove some undervalued players, right? So we are going to select only 17 players here out of 22. So let's quickly select all the 17 players, quickly select them. So let me quickly select all the 17 players from RCB and as well as from Mumbai Indians side. Let me quickly select these players. So I have selected all the 17 players here, and this is the tip number 1. Is that fixed player section. In our software, you can see in our software, after continuing this, we have fixed player section. In this section, whatever the players you select in this section, that player will be there in every generated team. That is something you need to remember. So we need to select some of the fixed players. Since fixed player section is very powerful section, we need to be little careful here. We need to be very careful while selecting the players in fixed player section. So first of all, we need to select at least 4 to 5. If all those 4 to 5 players that were selected have performed well, then your rank will definitely be very low. That means you will definitely get lot of profit. If you do well in fixed player section, basically you will definitely win lot of money. That is a very important section in our software, which is the tip number 2. So let's select some of the players in our software. So AB de Villiers, Glenn Maxwell, Rohit Sharma, these are the players I have selected, and after that continue. Tip number 3 is select only 2 to 3 players in both sides in captain section. So in our software we have captain section, right? We just need to select only 2 to 3 players. Don't select too many players, just 2 to 3 players from both the sides. So let's open our software and let's select 2 to 3 players in our software, and from also Mumbai Indians also I'm going to select 2 players. So I have selected completely 5 players from both the teams, which is at least 2 to 3 players from both the teams. Tip number 4 is we need to select 4 to 5 players from both the teams in vice captain section. In captain section we need to select 2 to 3, at least 2 to 3. But in vice captain section we need to select 4 to 5 players from both the teams in vice captain section. This is very important. So let's go to the vice captain section here and let's select 4 to 5 players from both the teams. So let me quickly select some of the players for the vice captain section, and so let me quickly select. So I have selected 4 to 5, that means I have selected more than 4 to 5 here. You can see I have selected more than 5 players from both the sections. That is very important tip here. We need to select more players in vice captain section, which is tip number 4. Number 5 is very important, the most important tip of all these 8 tips. So we need to favor one team, only one team. We cannot expect in a match only one winner will be there, right? So whether it will be RCB or it will be Mumbai Indians. So before the match we need to predict one team and we need to favor that team. For example, in this match I want to favor RCB. So if I want to favor RCB, I have to go with 7 players from RCB and 4 players from Mumbai Indians. Or if you want to favor Mumbai Indians, you can go for 4 players from RCB and 7 players from Mumbai Indians. This is the tip number 5. So let's go to our software and let's select here RCB is team 1. So I want to favor RCB, so let's select 7 players from RCB and 4 players which from team 2. Team 2 here is Mumbai Indians kada. So since it is Mumbai Indians, so 7 players from RCB and 4 players from Mumbai Indians, and after that continue. So the tip number 6 is giving correct credit range. Giving correct credit range is very important. For example, if you want teams as a risky Grand League teams, you can go for 96 to 100. Or if you want to go for standard Grand League teams, if you want to generate, you can go for 98 to 100. Or if you want small league teams, you can go for 99 to 100. Or if you want to head-to-head teams, you can go for 99.5 to 100. So let's go to our software and let's check the let's give the credit range of 98 to 100 if I want standard Grand League teams, I want GL teams. So this is the tip number 6, very important. So tip number 7 is select perfect strategies. Decide based on pitch. For example, if pitch is batting pitch, if the pitch supports batting, you have to go for high number of batsmen. Or if the pitch is bowling pitch, you have to go for high number of bowling teams. So here if you assume you have a pitch details, right? So let's go to our software and I think if it is a batting pitch, let's go for high number of batsmen. That includes wicket keeper also. For example, I want 5 batsmen here and also 5 batsmen here and also 2 batsmen, 2 wicket keeper, 4 batsmen will also comes under a batting pitch. So I am assuming batting pitch, that's why I am favoring batsmen here. So if you want to favor batsmen, you have to go with high number of batsmen. That is the basic important tip. So after that you can see this, if you want to go with 6 batsmen also, that is also fine, but 6 batsmen is not a very good strategy. So I am going to go with these 3 strategies here, and this is the tip number 7, the most important tip. So let's after that continue. So after completion of all the 7 tips, you will be directed to this section where you need to give the number of teams you want to generate. So you just need to give 11 teams, that is completely fine, and let's generate here. So you can see all the 11 teams are successfully generated, and this is we have followed all the 7 tips successfully to generate one of the most important teams. So these teams are very accurate because we have followed all the 7 tips. So whenever you generate or whenever you are using this software, make sure you are following all these 7 tips completely fine. So these are the very important 7 tips. So let's come to the last and final tip. we need to trust the process, because lot of users, there are plenty of users who have won lot of money by using our software. So I will provide you the video of the winning screenshots or winning results of our software in the description box below, in the iCard section, in the above as well. So let's check that out. Please trust the process. This is a very successful process and a proven process. You will definitely get lot of profit, but you need to trust the process and have little patience. You will eventually definitely will earn the profit from the software and from the Dream11 application. You will definitely do that. So one thing you should remember is that you need to trust the process. That is very important thing. So I hope I have given all the 8 tips that you require to get the profit every single day in Grand Leagues. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard.